Welcome to our Orthodontic Academy, where theory meets the practical expertise. Our students don't just learn on the concepts, they get hands-on experience to perfect their skills. Here at our academy, we focus on giving every student the chance to practice real-world techniques under the expert guidance. Led by our experienced mentor, Dr. Kapil Saroha, students are introduced to the latest in orthodontic procedures, from diagnostic setups to the complex treatments. Our curriculum is designed to help students build confidence as they perform the procedures, ensuring they understand every step of the process. We believe in personalized attention where it is a small query or a complex challenge. Our instructors are always there to guide, making sure every student gets the support they need. Students learn from one another, exchanging tips and refining their skills as a team. From applying braces to adjusting the aligners, every aspect of orthodontics is covered, preparing our students for a successful career. With hands-on practice, we ensure our students leave not just with the knowledge, but with the practical expertise they need to excel in the field. Join us at the Orthodontic course powered by the Orthodontic Dental Academy to start your journey in orthodontics today. Learn from the best and get the hands-on experience you need to shape the future of your dental career. Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a skilled orthodontist.